Hey guys, it's Anna from MacHollywood, and today we're going to be doing a quick review of the new LaCie Rugged RAID Pro hard drive. The drive includes a built-in SD card reader that allows you to mount an SD card into a USB-C computer that otherwise wouldn't have the port to do so. When you have both mounted on the computer, you can see them pop up separately on the desktop. Then you can use your file browser to manually copy files to and from the SD card, or you can use the LaCie Toolkit's automated import feature to quickly copy all the files from a card. The drive is pre-configured to be RAID 0, but you can easily choose between RAID configurations by using LaCie's RAID Manager interface. RAID 0 is for speed, in which the drive has no redundancy and uses all 4 terabytes of information, just as a regular drive would. RAID 1 offers redundancy by mirroring the drives. The USB-C Thunderbolt 3 port is backwards compatible to USB-A, meaning that it can transfer data using the newer USB-C connection or the previous USB-A connection. When using the USB-C connection, the drive has a transfer rate of 250 megabytes per second. The drive comes with a USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable, a spare port cover, and a power supply. The drive is bus powered through USB-C cable, so the AC power supply is only needed if the USB port that you're using isn't drawing enough power to power both of the drives inside, in which case a flashing light on the drive will indicate that it needs to be plugged in. Like all of LaCie's rugged line, this drive is shock, dust, and water resistant. This model also includes a 3-year data rescue program and 1 free month of all Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to comment, like, or subscribe, and check us out on Instagram.